Hi guys, we're gonna boil some peanut and oats porridge together from start to finish, guys. So you have 1 cup of peanut, we have 1 cup of oats. We have 5 tablespoons of white sugar. We have a pinch of cinnamon powder. We have a pinch of nutmeg. We have a tablespoon of vanilla. We have a pinch of salt. We have 1 tin of evaporated milk. We have a cup of water we're going to use to blend up the peanut. Over here on the pot, we have 6 cups of water. I put in the pot already. If you need more water, you're going to add more water to it. Yes, my beautiful people. So I just put on my pot with some water, adding 6 cups of water. If you need more water, put some more water in later. You better add less water more than too much water. So I know I'm just going to add in the spice. I'm just going to add in the nutmeg. And after the nutmeg, the cinnamon powder. After the cinnamon powder, I'm going to add in the vanilla. And then after the vanilla, I just put in a little pinch of salt. Don't put too much salt. And then after adding these, I'm just going to put the lid on it to make it boil for around 2 minutes. And then after, I'm just going to blend up my peanut. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, people, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to blend out the peanut. Just going to add the peanut in the blender. And I'm just going to add some water to it. So I'm going to blend this right out. So now, guys, I'm just gonna add in the oats. Just gonna give this a nice little mix around, mix all of that spice in. So I'm just gonna add in the oats first. You want to mix that oats first. You don't want the oats to get lumpy. And now we're just gonna add in the peanut. So it's a peanuts and oats porridge in Selvin kitchen, guys. You guys can try this recipe. And welcome to my channel. Anybody did subscribe from last week till now, from last month till now, welcome to my channel. Welcome to join the family, guys. So I'm just gonna mix this right up. Yes, my beautiful people. So just add in the peanut and the oats together. So you want to just give it a mix. You don't want to get it lumpy. You don't want to mix all of that lump out of that peanut. See it? I mix it. Everything is refined. So I'm gonna wait till it start boil first. Then I give it another mix. It's a nice, beautiful, delicious recipe, guys. So you guys can try this recipe. Sometimes you're tired of the fry up. You just want to try something new. So if you guys never have peanut and oats porridge before, try this recipe. If you guys try this recipe, please send me a comment. And please share the video with your friends and family. And please give me a thumbs up for the video, people. And check out my playlist, guys. I have all some beautiful dishes recipe on my playlist. So guys, please check out my playlist. So I'm just gonna put on the lid on that. When it start boil up, I'm just gonna take off the lid and give it a nice mix. Yes, guys, so my oats and peanut porridge boil down nicely. It's been boiling down for the last 10 minutes and it come right down now. So you don't want you boiling your porridge and it's too thick or too watery. This is the right texture. Look at that. So now we're just gonna add in half tin of this evaporated milk. I ain't gonna add in all of it. I'm just gonna add in half tin of that evaporated milk, and then just gonna let it boil for another 5 minutes before I add in the sugar. Look at that beautiful oats and peanut porridge, guys. So I'm just gonna let this boil for 5 more minutes. Yes, my beautiful people, so this is all finished now. I'm just gonna put in the sugar in it and let it cool. Just gonna turn off the fire. Look at that, guys. You don't want it too thick, as I said before, and you don't want it too runny. So it's a beautiful, nice porridge in Selvin kitchen today, guys. As I said before, it's a winter time now, so we need some porridge to warm up our body. So you guys can try this recipe. It's a very easy recipe, and let me know how this recipe turned out. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna turn off the stove. I'm just gonna add in some sugar. And sweeten it. So guys, sweeten it to your taste. A lot of people don't take sugar, and some take sugar, so sweeten it to your taste. So I'm using the white sugar today because I don't have any brown sugar, so it's optional. If you don't have the brown sugar, you can use the white sugar. If you don't have the white sugar, you can use the brown sugar. It's optional. So just want to mix around all of that sugar in it. Everything just combined together with that peanut, with that oats. Nice recipe, guys. Just gonna have some of this for breakfast. Because we need a lot of soup now and a lot of porridge. Wintertime, people. Nice texture. Look at that nice texture that I have. You can see that oats in it. So as I said before, guys, sweeten it to your taste. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen. Oats and peanut porridge, guys. You guys can try this recipe. It's a winter time now, so we need something to strengthen up our bone, to warm up our body. So you guys can try this recipe. So I will see you guys in the next video. Like the video before you go, and please subscribe. Selvin Kitchen, stay safe.